All right, our live look at our Skycam network, the Valley Skycam, showing a gorgeous, although hazy, setting sun with all of the wind across the region. Once again, it has been a breezy day, but temperatures are still well above our average highs for this time of the year. We're still in the upper 60s at this hour with a south-southwest wind, only 9 miles per hour, so a lot less gustier than it was just a couple of hours ago. Grand Forks enjoying a beautiful sunset as well, also in the upper 60s with a south wind at 14 miles per hour. Jamestown 69, likewise. Devil's Lake at that same reading. Gwinner, you have 68. It's still 70 degrees up in the, well, it was 70 degrees up in the Cavalier area. New measurement just come in at 66 in Bemidji as well. Here is a peek at what we have on the satellite. We see any cloudiness zipping well to the north of us into portions of Manitoba as we look at our area, crystal clear skies. Taking a look at the big picture, we have the jet stream rising all the way up into Canada and a nice bubble or ridge of warm air building here in the northern plains that we'll get to enjoy once again. But it comes with a caveat, and that would be the winds. So again, our colors illustrate the mild temperatures this evening in the 60s. We'll quickly, in a few areas of the Devil's Lake Basin, the Cheyenne and James River Valley, slip into the 50s by 10 o'clock tonight. Here in the Red River Valley in western Minnesota, though, still holding on to some 60s by bedtime. Now, as we go through the overnight, most of us will dip into the 50s, but nothing too cold because the wind will remain pretty breezy at around 15 miles per hour, maybe up to 20 miles per hour at times. Starting our day in those 50s, we'll see a few passing clouds. Once again, the wind will be in motion tomorrow in a big way with gusts over 25 miles per hour, even over 35 miles per hour at times. We will already be near those 70s by the midday hours. You see all the orange colors here from the Red River Valley and points west. Those areas will be well into the 70s once again, and plentiful 70s across western Minnesota as well. Notice the increase in clouds late in our day. As we take a look at your hour-by-hour planner, temperatures will start out in the 50s as opposed to 30s. Much milder, but breezy all day with gusts over 30 miles per hour likely. 76 in Fargo, an isolated 80-degree reading not out of the question. The best chance of that, Red River Valley and far south. Otherwise, a lot of low 70s across the map. And unless you look way out east, we'll have some upper 60s for a beautiful but breezy day in Lakes Country as well. The soybean harvest moving right along in Annetta. Thanks, Ann Peterson, for uploading a dandy. And certainly some of the dust kicked up in our dusty-looking sky from the winds is from our friends in agriculture getting the work done. Saturday, some showers will move through. Only hit and miss, though, 30% chance. Look at the cooler and windier conditions once again. Sunday, we continue that cooling trend, and the wind will still be a factor in our forecast. A shower or two on Monday as things get downright chilly with highs in the 40s through the middle and latter portion of the work week.
All right, thanks, Hutch.
You bet.